امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے ایک بار پھر پاکستان اور بھارت کے درمیان جنگ رکوانے کا کریڈٹ خود کو دے دیا. انہوں نے باور کروایا کہ انہیں دو ایٹمی طاقتوں کے درمیان جنگ رکوانے پر فخر ہے. صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے یہ بھی بتایا کہ پاکستان اور بھارت کو بتا دیا کہ اگر انہوں نے پھر سے لڑائی کی تو تجارت نہیں کریں گے. امریکی صدر پاکستانی قیادت کی تعریف بھی کرتے رہے.
And I'm very proud of the fact that with India and Pakistan, I was able to stop that. And those are nuclear powers. And that was getting close to being out of hand. And I spoke to some very talented people on both sides, very good people on both sides. And I said, we're dealing with you on trade, Pakistan and India right now. I said, we're not going to deal with you on trade if you're going to go shooting each other and whipping out nuclear weapons that maybe even affect us. And Pakistan, likewise, they have very strong leadership. Some people won't like when I say that, but, it is what it is. And they stopped that war. Now, am I going to get credit? I'm never going to get credit for anything. They don't give